Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our channel Data Matrix Insight. Today I would like to share how to configure fast recovery area in Oracle Database 23 AI. You know, fast recovery area is very important for backup. We can take backup, RMAN backup, fast area recovery backup. Today I will share how to configure fast recovery area in Oracle Database. I will share again organized script where I will describe step by step. Just follow it sincerely. If you want to find this script, you can download directly from my description box.